Hey family, what's going on? It's your brother here in the studio. I just want to talk to you briefly about Kwanzaa. Big ups to people who start things that catch on and go forward. Dr. Maulana Karanga had a great idea. It was the late 60s. It was a politically charged time. A lot of challenges facing black and brown and people of color in the United States. And he wanted to put a cultural piece together that would help us just come on one accord, because he realized that one of the biggest obstacles to power and freedom for people of color in America is unity. The fact that we have been disrupted. And it's not an accident right now that disruption is one of the big buzzwords around industries. And if you know how to disrupt a market, then you can absolutely take advantage economically in that market. So when you think about people of color and who have very clear and very near indigenous roots, it's a disruption that has happened. And so now, as we try to overcome some of the challenges, we understand that healing from that disruption is the biggest thing. I'm supposed to be working right now. Is the best thing that we can do is heal from some of those disruptions. And so Kwanzaa, it's a great idea. 7 principles. Those principles are very basic. Kwanzaa is absolutely a remix of things that we have seen work in the history of humanity. So let's do it. The first one is Umoja. Kwanzaa starts on December 26th every year. That's today. And Umoja is unity. Now, it doesn't mean sameness. It's more important to think of unity as working toward the same goal or toward a common goal. But that means that everybody can participate. Everybody can benefit, even though we're starting at very different places in many cases. And so my path to the common goal is going to look very different from yours, maybe. So then the question becomes, well, what's the common goal? The common goal is freedom. Freedom of expression. Freedom to attain the highest level of education possible. Freedom, economic freedom. Of course, it's a big one in the United States. And that's freedom from intentional treachery by the systems that should support us. And so we know that the people of color in the United States have faced severe and intentional challenges on that front. What can you do at home to make sure that you're pressing forward toward the common goal? And this is what the Umoja Day of Kwanzaa is about. For us to consider those things that we might do in our small circles to help us all push toward the mark. It's Brother Changa talking about Kwanzaa. I'll see you guys the next time.